Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about how to download Adobe Photoshop 2021. So without further ado, the first thing that you'll be having to do is go to the description of this video, where you'll find the link that will lead you to this website where we'll be downloading the Adobe Photoshop 2021 latest version, of course, multilingual, meaning a lot of languages will be available for you. And it's going to be pre-activated, so all you have to do is download and install it, and you're good to go. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about before pressing the download button is that you'll need uTorrent or any other torrent downloaders. So all you have to do is, again, go to the description. You'll find the link there leading you to here, and just scroll to this side of the website and press download uTorrent, and basically download the basic and the free version. It's going to be doing the job. After you do that, basically just go back to the link to Adobe Photoshop 2021 and press the magnet download. Ads, of course, magnet download, and a pop-up like this will appear, and all you have to do is press the open torrent, and uTorrent is going to be opened automatically, of course. Here you'll have the files that you'll be downloading, which is the setup and the necessary ones. For this one, you can uncheck it if you do not want to download it, even though it's really small. The file is 2.4, almost 0.4 gigs. So all you have to do is press OK and basically wait for it to download. It depends on your internet, and it's going to kick off in a minute, and you just wait for it to download. So after it finishes downloading, we'll meet again. Okay, amazing. Now that the file finished downloading, all you have to do is basically open the file in the directory that you downloaded the file in, and all you have to do is go to setup file, run it as an administrator, press yes, and wait for this window to pop up, wait for it to load, and all you have to do now is basically choose the language you want it. I usually go for English International. And why it doesn't let me like choose the location where I want to be installing the program or the Photoshop in, is basically because I already have it installed on my computer. That's basically why. So all you have to do is choose the location, or leave it as default, and press continue, let it install, and all you have to do is basically just press double click on the Adobe Photoshop and wait for it to load, and that's all you have to do, and the program is going to be fully working for you. Amazing. Now we have the Photoshop working. So all you have to do is basically create a blank one and blank layer, and start editing. Everything is working on the program, and everything is available, and you have access to everything, like if you paid for the program. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got what you were searching for, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and comment, why not, of things you want to be seen in the future videos. If you made it this far, I would like to thank you for tuning in, and if you have any suggestions of what you want to be seen in the speed art playlist that I'm going to be working on small tutorials like this one, or how to use basically some effects or some features of Photoshop in the future, let me know in the comment section, and have a good day.